Good morning. It's Friday, March 14th, 10:34 a.m. It's 2025, episode 2861. And I have an issue about two things. Donald Trump believing it's illegal to boycott Tesla, as he called it, Tesla, the car that's all computer, and think in arresting, detaining a green card holder, a legal resident, because he was in the protest, the college protest for Palestine. They're saying that he's connected to terrorism and such, but they haven't shown any evidence. Everything that they've mentioned is about his freedom of speech, which is really weird because these guys are always about they're always about freedom of speech. They yell about freedom of speech on Twitter and that the Democrats are suppressing freedom of speech, but they have no reasoning for holding this guy. They're trying to deport him. A judge is holding them back from deporting. He hasn't been charged with the crime either, and his first hearing isn't until March 27th. And they're holding him in jail, basically, in Louisiana, even though he was arrested in New York. They're trying to make it difficult. See Judge Judy pop up there? They're trying to make it very difficult for him to communicate with his lawyers. It's a bunch of bullshit. Gonna go here to some shout-outs. First, Robert Cotino, he always lets me know when he doesn't like one of the cartoons. I don't know, maybe he's doing me a favor or something. Anyway, but he didn't like yesterday's cartoon. Although it's in Politico today, so I'm going to, that's like your opinion, man. Satanic Fatty gives a shout-out. DDWIS, Master Strain. Someone posted another video asking for a shout-out, but now I can't remember their name. If you want a shout-out, for sure, you need to, for me to say your name after you leave a comment, you need to leave it on the last video I created. That's not really a rule or anything. It's just so I can remember who deserves a shout out, and that's all that is. So, I had fun drawing this cartoon, as you saw. I tried to do it where it was like horizontal, and then I made it vertical. Or did I have that back? Vertical horizon. Anyway, thinking of the band Vertical Horizon. But anyway, this was the best way to get the image in with all the words and such. I thought I could do it the other way, where they're standing up, but now I got them like lying down. So, everybody, have a great Friday. It's time for me to go to work. I got things to do, and I hope, have a great Friday. Talk to you later. Goodbye, bye, 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 bye.